So I'm recording this sound sample with the Rode Wireless Micro in an attempt to compare it to the Boya Mini. So the Rode Wireless Micro, you're about $140 on Amazon currently, whereas the Boya Mini, it's only about $55. So they're very similar wireless recording kits for smartphones, for either the iPhone or the Android, but I just really want to hear how the two stack up against each other when it comes to sound quality. And I'll tell you what's been really difficult with this. I've recorded so many different sound samples and I keep getting the names wrong because, well, for starters, all of the Rode products are all very similar. You've got the Rode Wireless Micro, you've got the Rode Wireless Go, the Rode Wireless Pro, and the Boya Mini as well. I think I keep calling that the Boya Micro, so I'm just having a complete shambles. But the upside is that both products seem very promising for the podcaster, for the video creator. So let's switch over to the Boya model now and have a wee listen to that. Okay then, now we're recording on the Boya Mini. So like I say, a budget alternative to the Rode Wireless Micro. I'm so paranoid every time I name drop one of them. But yeah, is there $81 sound quality difference here? I'm not sure. Like I do definitely think that the Rode Wireless Micro, I do think that edges it. But again, you would expect it to. Like Rode are giants, they really know premium audio very well. But I'm impressed with the Boya Mini, and it definitely stands up, especially given its price point. So this is just two excellent options for you if you want to do on location, on the go interviews or co-hosted chats or any type of video podcasting as well. So I hope that's been useful for you, and please do check out the full review over at thepodcasthost.com.